In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the wired mouse to tablet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which tablet model you have, you can easily connect a mouse and use it through a wired connection. So to do this, you will need a USB cable to establish a connection between the tablet and the mouse. Now, most mice will have a USB cable already attached to them, but if yours is detached, then you will have to first plug one end of the cable into the mouse. So for modern mice, it is going to be a USB-C port where you plug the cable in, and for older models, you might encounter micro USB. It doesn't matter, just make sure that you plug one end of the USB cable into the mouse if needed. If the cable is already attached like this one, then you don't have to worry about these steps. All that you have to do in this case is plug the other end of the USB cable into the tablet. Once again, for modern tablets, it is going to be a USB-C port, aka the charging port. And as soon as you plug it in, you will have a cursor appear automatically. If you are using an iOS tablet, aka the iPad, you might need to enable Assistive Touch, but for any other model, usually the cursor will appear right away, and you can use it to browse through all of your applications, all of your games, navigate the web, open a web browser, and so on. It is extremely simple, and modern Android and iOS versions will have full support for any mouse that you connect. If it doesn't give you a cursor automatically, or if you notice that it isn't being detected, then you might need a USB hub because sometimes the USB port available on your device might not charge the mouse. And of course, it could be a problem with the cable or the mouse that you are trying to use. So if you have other ways to test the mouse and the cable by swapping them out or connecting them to different devices, you should definitely go ahead to figure out what's wrong. But if it works natively, it is going to be super simple. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect wired mouse to tablet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.